Alright, today you guys are going to learn how to do a letterhead for a business letter. Now, if you remember from the last lesson, you start off your letter at the top, but you want to put it at 2.1 inches. And so that gives us 2 inches up here at the top where we're going to put in our business letterhead. The business letterhead is going to include a company name, your name, address, phone number, email address, a company slogan, and an image. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up that Word document, and just so that we know how much room we're going to have, we're going to set it up just like a business letter. So we're going to go to Times New Roman, size 12. We're going to go here to the line spacing, make it single space, and then remove the space after paragraph. I'm going to hit my enter 6 times just like on the business letter, and then I'm going to put in today's date like that. Now anything above that date is fair game to put to make your letterhead. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in a company name. Now you have a lot of different options of how you can do that: text boxes, regular font. I'm going to insert a word art, and just for a sample business, we're going to call this Bug Be Gone. That's the name of my company. You're going to come up with your own company name. Now the next requirements are to get the contact information. So I'm going to insert a text box. There we go. Now I have to make those same adjustments. I'm going to make it Times New Roman, size 12. Make it single space, and then remove the space after paragraph. But I'm also going to center it. I'm going to put my name in there as the owner of Bug Be Gone, and then I'm going to put in the address. I'll just use the school address. And then a phone number. And then I'll put in a web address here. Which I made up. Alright, now I like that I have all my contact information in there in that text box, but I am going to remove that outline. Now you can see the date's still right here. Everything I've done so far has been on top of that, so in that top 2 inches. Last thing I want to do is put in some sort of little company slogan. So I'm going to make another little text box. I'm going to put that down at the bottom though, just to make it look a little nicer. I'll change it to italics, and I will center it. Alright. Oh, and maybe I'll do the same thing and get rid of that outline. Alright. Now, the last thing that you're going to want to do is put in some sort of image along the outside, something that represents your company. You can get that from the internet. I like to insert little shapes and make my own little creations, but that's up to you. So, just to recap here, the requirements for the letterhead are to have a company name, your name, an address, phone number, email address, a slogan, and some sort of image. All right.